Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to repost someone's story like it's your own story. So, before that, we want to turn on a few things. So go to your profile right in the bottom, then tap on the three lines right in the top, scroll down, go to text and mentions, and make sure that who can mention you, that is on everyone or people you follow. That is really important. From here, we go back to our timeline, then go to someone's story, like this is a second channel on Instagram from me. And this channel just tagged me. From here, I want to add this to my story. So then tap on add to your story. And then normally you will see this. I don't like this because I want the total story in my story that it looks that it's just my own story. All right, then we have to do one thing, and that is tap on the screen. This is seriously how easy it is. Then do your story. Now it's added to my story, and if I go back and check my story, you will see that it's still uploading, but now you will see the complete story in my story, and you will see right, or not right in the top, but in the top, that I just reposted Tommy Love Gym's Instagram story. This is how it works. If you find this helpful, please smash a like, and thanks for watching.